Yeah.
The song starts. First word is yeah. So you just break out like yeah, and then like you're gonna run around the room just like dancing whatever dumb moves you've got throughout the entire first verse, and get as much attention as possible so that when you break down in the chorus, everybody sees it. So the first words of the chorus is bows to the knees. That's your elbows down to your knees. You can go as far down as you want to, or just whatever cranks your chainsaw, you know. Crank it like a chainsaw again. And go up. Crank it, crank it, crank it, back. You do it again. And then during the second verse, if you're not dead, it depends on how hard you went, you can keep drawing attention. You might spend that time teaching other people how to do it because they're going to want to do it with you. Or do more dumb dance moves. Or
how to do the chainsaw.
In the second verse, you do it again.
That don't mean there ain't no twerking.
And then when the rap throws down in the bridge, don't know what's gonna happen. You never know what comes out.
Yeah.
But then you break down the chainsaw again at the end, like.
It could be worse.
You know you've been successful. Everyone in the room is doing it with you in a whole line. That's when it's epic. Is when you get everyone in the room cranking it with you.